Hi everyone, welcome to this month's micro tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you a neat trick to use with the clarity slider. So instead of adding clarity to your entire image, rather add it to the areas that are in focus. So by that, I mean selecting your subject and then also adding the foreground area or the grass in this example that is in focus. So what that's going to allow you to do is add clarity to just those areas. And then what you can do then is use the mask that you've just created for those in focus areas, duplicate and invert that to select the out of focus areas. So now in this example, we'll have to clean up the back of the hyena here. But just as a demonstration, you can then add some negative clarity and some negative texture. And that's going to help your subject stand out a little bit more from the background. What you can then also do is the background mask that you've created, you can then just drop the exposure a little bit just to help your subject stand out a bit more.